Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is At Home with Mansa, and today I'm just going to take you around. I'm going to two stores. First, this is Five Below. I did not really see much stuff here, and I really do not want to talk much in this video. This is more like a relaxing shop with me video, and I also went to Sam's Club. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite stores and what stores would you like me to go to and shop around with you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do keep on watching. Family, we're over at Sam's Club and I am already excited for summer. I see all the grills are out, barbecue's about to be lit. I was excited. I actually came here to look for a few things, but I did not find the main item that I was looking for, which is I'm looking for a white Dutch oven that I saw online, but they don't have it in store. So I guess I'm just gonna have to order the cast iron pot or the Dutch oven online. But that is a beautiful buffet right there, the buffet table. And another thing that caught my eye here were these Martha Stewart comforter sets. I think they're so pretty. I didn't really open the package to feel how the texture is, but it really looks cute, and I like most of Martha's stuff. I usually buy my sets from Macy's though, but this was cute. I didn't pick it up though. My favorite was this gray because you guys know I keep my bedroom neutral for the most part. But yeah, do keep on watching. If this is your first time coming across this channel, this is a brand new baby channel. Do consider subscribing, okay? I have another channel, which is my cooking channel called Mansa Queen. The link will be in the description box below. I used to upload all of my home organization, shop with me videos, and cleaning videos on that channel before I open this one. So do consider subscribing to that one as well, and you can check out my other home organization videos. Okay, thank you so much for doing so. Also, feel free to share with your friends and family on all your social media platforms. Oh my goodness, you guys, I gotta share this real quick. These containers, these cereal containers are a lifesaver. They come in a pack of 3 and it's not expensive. I believe it's about $11. And anywhere you see these, you want to grab these Rubbermaids. They are so handy. And if you're somebody that cooks a lot like I do, Sam's Club is one of the best places to stock up on all those spices because they have this really large sizes that will last you for a while. I really love their they have several brands. There's the Tones brand and they have their own brand which is the Members Mark and several others that they carry. But yeah, I always like to stock up on my spices, my herbs, and all of those good stuff. So yeah, that's a good one to consider if you like shopping at Sam's Club. I believe not everybody likes to shop at Sam's, especially if you don't have a big family, because I mean they sell wholesale family sizes, so it makes sense. Club because of their big packaging that they have. We eat a lot of rice in my house, so it is best that I get it here. I'm grabbing some basmati rice. This is the best for fried rice for me. And the Members Mark paper towels, we have been using these for so many years. It is so affordable and the quality is really good for what you're getting, what you're paying for.